Hello, I'm Ferminal Solis Jr., an entrepreneur student. There's a lot of things that I have learned in our marketing class. First, I learned a lot the meaning of marketing mix. Marketing mix are four principles of marketing that enable a firm to develop their strategy around providing the right product at the right price, promoted to the right target audience who can then purchase the product at the right place. The service marketing mix goes on the expand upon the traditional marketing mix and talks about people's strategies, process, and physical environment of a firm. Product. We must remember that marketing is fundamentally about providing the correct bundle of benefits to the end user. The saying marketing is not about providing product or services. It essentially about providing changing benefits to the changing needs and demands of the customers. Pricing. An organizing can adopt a number of pricing strategies. The pricing strategies are based on much on what objective the company has set itself in to achieve. Place. This refers to how the organization will distribute the product or service they can offering to the end user. The organization must distribute the product to the end user right place at the right time. Efficiently and effectively distributors is important to the organization is to meet its overall marketing objectives. In organization, underestimate demand and customer cannot purchase the product because of it. Probably will be affected. Promotion. A successful product or service means nothing unless benefit on such a service can be communicated clearly to the target market.